Okay, so in this question, we're going to look at some quadratic proportions here. The two triangles here are similar, and you're going to learn a lot more about this year. The symbol looks like that. It's a squiggle. But the important thing for us right now is that the corresponding sides are in proportion. And it was actually really nice of this diagram to have the corresponding sides labeled. So like the blue goes with the blue, the green goes with the green, and the gray goes with the gray. So there's a lot of other facts about this stuff, but for now we're just going to focus on the sides being in proportion, which means that this 36 and this x kind of match up. If you use a different color, this x and this 16 match up. So what we want to do is write this in a proportion. So let's take the black ones first. We'll do 36 over x on the left side, and that equals, and then we'll do the blue ones over here. We have x over 16. Now, the reason I had to put this x on top and not the 16 on top is because we started with 36 on top here, so the same triangle, this left triangle, stays on top, and the right triangle stays on the bottom. So, to solve this, we're just going to do what we were doing yesterday, or a couple days ago, and cross multiply. So we have x times x, which, despite what many students think, is not 2x, it's x squared. And then we have 36 times 16, which equals 576. Now, I know I said that in certain quadratics you have to get it equal to 0 first, and you could. And in this case, it would lead to a difference of perfect squares, but it would be a very long route to get to a very easy situation. We know that x squared equals 576. So to get x by itself, all we have to do right now is just take a square root. So you take a square root, and then you get x equals, technically there's two possible options here. It's 24 or negative 24. That's going to be a bigger thing in Algebra 2. In geometry, since we're usually dealing with side lengths, and specifically right now, x is a side length. So we're going to usually reject that negative solution and keep the positive one. Next year, that'll become more important. So x equals 24, which means this side is 24, and this side is 24.